Get ready to laugh and join the chaos as Dad and son attempt to take on the household chores without Mom. In When Mom is Not Home. From cooking disasters to grocery shopping mishaps, this dynamic duo proves that sometimes things just don't go as planned. Join in on the fun and see just how Dad and son handle the challenge. And you might just learn a thing or two about the importance of family and working together. Don't miss out on this hilarious and heartwarming adventure.
Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases, and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Hey son, have you seen your mom around?
No, Dad, I haven't seen her since morning. Why, did you also lose her?
Well, not exactly. Lose her. I just wanted to know if she had any plans for the day.
Oh, I see. But why do you need to know that?
Well, I was thinking of taking her out for a surprise dinner tonight, but if she's got plans, I don't want to ruin them.
That's sweet of you, Dad. But how are we going to find out where she is?
Good question. Maybe we should call her and find out.
That's a good idea. Let me try calling her. Dad, Mom's not answering. I think she must be really busy.
Okay, no worries. Let's just make a plan B. How about we order pizza and watch a movie together?
Yes, that sounds like fun, Dad. Let's do it.
All right then, let's go order some pizza and pick out a movie to watch. Mom can join us if she's free, but if not, we'll still have a great time together.
I agree, Dad. Thanks for always finding a way to make things fun.
Hey son, have you seen this note from your mom?
No, what does it say?
It says she wants us to help with some of the household chores today. Looks like we have a list of things to do.
Do we have to? I was planning on playing video games all day.
Sorry, buddy, but we can't ignore our responsibilities. Plus, your mom works really hard to keep our home clean and organized, so it's only fair that we help out.
All right, fine. What do we need to do?
Well, let's see. We need to do the dishes, vacuum the living room, take out the trash, and clean the bathroom.
This is going to take forever.
Not if we work together. Let's divide and conquer. I'll do the dishes and take out the trash, and you can vacuum and clean the bathroom.
Okay, let's do it.
Great attitude, son. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, I guess you're right, Dad. Let's get to work.
Be careful with that vase, son. It's fragile.
Sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to bump into it.
It's okay, son. Let's just put it back on the shelf and be more careful next time.
This is harder than I thought it would be. I keep breaking things and messing up.
I know, son. But that's okay. We all make mistakes when we're doing something new. The important thing is that we keep trying and learning from our mistakes.
You're right, Dad. I won't give up. What do we need to do next?
Let's finish sweeping the floor and then we can move on to dusting the furniture.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Great job, son! You're really getting the hang of this.
Thanks, Dad. I couldn't have done it without you.
Hey, don't forget who's the clumsy one here. I've broken my fair share of dishes and knocked over plenty of things.
Yeah, I guess we're both pretty clumsy. But at least we're doing this together.
Son, I have a newfound respect for your mom.
Why is that, Dad?
Well, we've been doing the household chores for the whole day now, and it's not easy. Your mom has been doing this every day for years.
Really? I didn't realize it was that hard.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. And she does it all without complaining or asking for help.
I guess I took all of her hard work for granted. I never really appreciated how much she does for us.
It's easy to overlook the things that someone does for us when it's done consistently. But now that we're doing it ourselves, we can see how important it is.
I'm really grateful for Mom. She's an amazing housewife and mom.
Yes, she is. And we should make sure to thank her and show our appreciation for all that she does.
Absolutely, Dad. Let's make sure we do our part and help out more around the house from now on.
That's my boy. I'm glad you're learning the importance of teamwork and showing gratitude. Son, I was thinking we should cook a surprise dinner for your mom.
That's a great idea, Dad. What should we make?
How about her favorite dish, lasagna?
I can make the salad and garlic bread. You can make the lasagna, Dad.
Sounds like a plan. Let's head to the grocery store and get everything we need.
Can we also get some flowers for Mom? She loves flowers.
Absolutely. That's a great idea.
Dad and son were at the supermarket trying to do their weekly grocery shopping. As they walked down the aisles, they kept accidentally knocking items off the shelves and tripping over their own feet.
Dad, can we please be more careful?
Sorry, son. I'm not used to doing the shopping.
It's okay, Dad. We'll just take our time and try to be more mindful.
As they were making their way through the produce section, they had a difficult time picking out the right fruits and vegetables.
Is this avocado ripe?
I don't know, Dad. Maybe we should ask someone who works here.
They found an employee who helped them pick out some fresh produce and gave them tips on how to tell if something was ripe.
Thank you, son. I don't know what I would do without you.
It's okay, Dad. I'm happy to help.
As they made their way to the checkout, they realized they had forgotten their shopping list and had to go back and get it.
Oh no, we forgot the list.
It's okay, Dad. We can just try to remember what we need.
They managed to finish their shopping without any more mishaps and made their way home.
I may not be the best at shopping, but I'm lucky to have you by my side.
And I'm lucky to have you as my dad. We make a great team.
Son, watch out for that boiling water.
Sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to spill it.
It's okay, son. That's why we have a towel handy. Just wipe it up and let's try again.
Okay, but I'm not sure if I can do this. Cooking is harder than it looks.
Don't worry, son. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. Just keep practicing and you'll get better.
Okay, I won't give up. What do we need to do next?
We need to chop some vegetables. Here, let me show you how to hold the knife properly.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Great job, son. You're a natural. Now let's put these veggies in the pan and stir fry them.
Wow, This is actually starting to look like food.
Hey, I knew we could do it. Now let's taste it and see if it needs any seasoning.
Ma'am, that's delicious. I can't believe we made this.
See, I told you it wasn't that hard. Cooking can be a lot of fun when you're doing it with someone you love.
Later that evening.
Wow, this smells amazing. What's the occasion?
Just a surprise dinner for the most amazing wife and mom.
And we made it all ourselves.
I'm so touched. Thank you both so much. This is the best dinner ever.
We're glad you like it, honey. And we got you some flowers too.
You boys are the best. I'm so lucky to have you both.
We're lucky to have you too, Mom. Dad and I just wanted to say thank you for all the hard work you've done for our family.
We appreciate everything you do for us, Mom.
Thank you, boys. That means a lot to me.
We also want to promise that we'll help you more with the housework from now on. We know it's a lot of work and we want to show our appreciation by doing our part.
Yes, we want to be more proactive and take on more of the responsibilities around the house.
I'm so touched, boys. Thank you. It means so much to me to have your help and support.
We're a team, Mom. And we should all work together to make our family happy and comfortable.
That's right. And we're lucky to have you as our leader and guide, Mom.
I'm lucky to have you both as my family. Thank you for your love and support.
Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next English lesson.